how to make Duet video in YouTube. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can make the Duet video in your YouTube channel. So guys, to make a Duet video on YouTube, the specific steps may vary depending on the type of the video you want to create a Duet with, such as regular YouTube video or YouTube short video. So here are the general steps that I'm going to tell you in this video. So guys, find the video that you want to do it with, and then record your part of the do it using any recording device, and use video editing software, and you can use this software Video Collab. And after that you will have to select the video option, and then you will have to create the new video, and then you will have to select for the two of the effects, and then after that you will have to upload two videos there. So this is how you can easily combine the videos of the YouTube, and then after making that video you can upload this video to your YouTube channel. So please note that the steps may vary changes as YouTube features and interface evolves, and it's recommended to refer to the most recent information from YouTube or reliable sources for the latest guidance. So hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.